In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your list theme in Microsoft To Do on mobile. Personalizing your lists can make them easier to recognize at a glance and more enjoyable to use day to day. In just a few taps, you can switch from a plain look to a color you love or a background that matches the purpose of your list. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly where everything is and what each option does. First, open the Microsoft To Do app on your phone. Give it a second to load your lists. If you keep the app on your home screen or dock, that makes this process even quicker next time. Next, tap the list you want to customize. This could be a work project, a shopping list, or any list you've already created. Make sure you're inside that specific list's view, where you can see its tasks. The theme you choose will apply only to this list, not all of your lists, which is great for keeping everything visually distinct. Now look to the top right and tap the three-dot menu. This menu houses extra settings related to the list you're viewing. If you don't see it immediately, double-check that you're not deep inside a single task. Back out to the list view so the menu appears. From the menu, tap Change Theme. This opens the theme chooser where you can preview styles before committing to them. You'll see options for color, photo, and custom. Color gives you solid hues. This is perfect if you want clean visuals and strong contrast for readability. It's also handy for color coding related lists, like using the same shade for all personal lists. Photo offers built-in backgrounds curated by the app. These add personality while keeping things legible. If a preview looks too busy, try a different image or a darker color for better text visibility. Custom lets you bring in your own image from your device for a truly personal touch, like a team logo or a calm landscape. Choose something with simple patterns or softer tones so your task text remains easy to read. Depending on your device settings, you may see a prompt related to photo access at this point. That's normal behavior for using your own images. When you're happy with the preview, tap Done. Your selection is saved instantly and the new look applies to that list. If you change your mind later, just repeat these same steps to pick a different theme. That's it. With a few thoughtful choices, your Microsoft To-Do lists can be as clear and motivating as the tasks inside them.